Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got for you another pepper shrimp recipe. This time I'm gonna add some sweet chili sauce to it and just make it all good. So stay tuned to find out how I make my sweet chili peppered shrimp.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now guys, this recipe is so simple but so delicious, like people will be licking their fingers. Now I'm using about 15 medium-sized shrimp and I'm just gonna go ahead now and give them a clean. Devein them and just, you know the shebang. Give them a wash and season them up. If you're new to my channel, guys, thank you so much for coming. For my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for your continuous support. Double check down below. Make sure that button that says subscribed has gone now to grey. It's no longer red. Hit that subscribe button for your girl. Thumbs up this video and share this video if possible. Now after cleaning up my shrimp, I'm just gonna go ahead now. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm using my favorite fish seasoning, which you know should know by now is the Maggi seasoning. Now I've gone in with about a teaspoon of this because it's not a large amount of shrimp, and I'm gonna go ahead now with my garlic cube. Now I use 2 cloves of garlic and I'm just gonna put it in my garlic press and just crush them. Now I'm using 2 scallions, about 5 sprigs of thyme, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Now you have to determine how hot you want your pepper shrimps. It is pepper shrimp, you know, so it's supposed to be pepper, but you know, so some people like it but they don't like too much of the heat. So you add as much or as little hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper as you like. Now once you've added all your stuff, just give that a good old mix. Now what I'm gonna do, now I found this what's this called now, Scotch bonnet pepper. I saw it in the shop and I thought, oh, let me have a try of that, you know. So I didn't go in with much because you know, say you have to test out the thing, but you know what, I didn't have any problem with it. You know, the shrimp, they came out beautiful. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with a little bit of my egg powder just to, you know, add a little color to my shrimp. Now guys, I do have 2 more peppered shrimp videos. I will link them in the description box. Now what I'm gonna do now is, in a pan on medium heat, I'm just gonna add my shrimp. Make sure you scrape out and get all that seasoning that you have up in there, you know, because you know we don't waste anything in Shellz kitchen. Now I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water just to help it along a bit, but because I'm only doing a small batch, but normally when you do shrimps in a larger batch, you don't really need to add much water because you know the shrimp will spring its own juices, and you know own juices make things taste better. So after about 2 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead now and turn them over, cover them for about another minute. Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna literally add a little bit of, you know, British say another butter, just a little bit of butter just to get that sauce going, and you know, say butter and everything make everything taste better. So yeah, we're after going with the butter now. I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this garlic chili sauce, and I'm also gonna add some sweet chili sauce. Now I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of this sweet chili sauce. Now once you've added all of this, just give this a good old mix, cover it for about another minute. And so, but listen, make sure that your shrimp is pink all the way through before you serve it, because you don't want to serve the people them no raw shrimp for eat. Make sure it is thoroughly cooked. If you find that it's not cooked, cover the pot and just let it steam down for about another minute or 2. Please ensure your shrimp are cooked properly. Now, see there? Hello. Sweet chili peppered shrimp on your plate, ready for serve. Hey boy, This recipe is definitely a must try. It is so good. The sauce and the butter and the shrimp and the thyme and the pepper and the scallion and everything merged together, just like such a beautiful taste, such awesome flavor. Guys, make sure you try this shrimp. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen and let me know how this turned out. Thank you so much for watching my sweet chili pepper shrimp video, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.